What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a battery charging speed test of Huawei Y9a smartphone that comes with 4200 mAh battery and 40 watt quick charging. So for this testing purpose we will use Huawei's official 40 watt SuperCharge charger and this USB cable that comes in the retail box. We will use this another smartphone for timer purpose. So right now the battery is totally zero on Huawei Y9a. As you can see, the device is not even starting. So let's start our test and let's see how much time it's going to take in reaching from 0% to 100% when we charge the battery of Huawei Y9a. And it is directly starting from 2%. So after 30 seconds it's 2%, seems quite nice. So it's 2 minutes now and the battery percentage moved to 4%. So it's 15 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status. So it's 30% after 15 minutes of charging. So let's switch on the device now. 31%. I'm going to turn off the performance mode here, and you can see that none of the power saving modes are turned on. As you can see, the device is connected to the Wi-Fi and no SIM cards are inserted. So let's see how much time it's going to take in reaching from 32% to 100%. Right now it's nearly 17 minutes. So it's 30 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status and it's at 55%. And if you go to the battery setting, you can see that it is showing that it will take 1 hour 48 minutes until full charge. So this value is wrong for sure because it took just 30 minutes in reaching from 0% to 55%. So I guess it's going to take nearly 20 minutes more in reaching 55 or 56 to 100%. Let's see how much time it's going to take in reaching 100% after this. So it's 55 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status and it's at 94%, and here it is showing that it will take nearly 14 minutes more to reach 100%. And battery is full now, as you can see here. So after 1 hour 1 minute, I will assume it took less than that in reaching from 0% to 100%, because it was showing it will take like 14 minutes more, and I wanted to check it at 1 hour sharp that how much battery is going to be remaining, but once I came back it was already charged. So we can say that on average it's going to take nearly an hour in reaching from 0% to 100%. It took nearly 30 minutes in reaching from 0% to a bit more than 50%, and after that nearly another 30 minutes to reach 100%. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.